Alright guys, today we're going to be changing out a radiator. This is of course Duralast and A1741, and that's the part number. Step 1, drain fluid. Down here you got this it's like a little valve. I don't know exactly what I do with it, but I just drain it straight to the ground because I got a cracked radiator, so it's mainly all water now. Step 2, disconnect your upper radiator hose and your lower radiator hose. This is your upper, and your lower's down over there. Yeah, well, down over there. Sorry, I don't know why I pointed over there. So you got your upper, and then you got your lower. This is just a clamp. Down there we got we have a hose clamp with the worm gear. So that one requires a screwdriver. Next, you're gonna want to unhook your radiator hoses. Unhook your fans, which just comes off, and then you clip it. Bam bam. Replace your bolt, undo your bolts if you have any. Like me, like you probably got bolts. I got pieces of wire. You know, I am ratchet, but for the most part, you just gotta stay clear of this guy. Usually, this guy is bolted to here. One year next, I can't remember. I had this taken out because I pulled the radiator out. Never put it back, so you might, in your case, you're gonna have to take that off, and then undo this one. Alright, so you push this guy out toward the fan, and then you pull, and then you undo this guy. I'm doing it in the dark, but I got a crack right there, and there's where the coolant was coming out. So yeah, I'm gonna pull. Oh, and then also to remove this guy, you need to take off that 10 mil, and then you'll be able to slide it up, and then you undo this. Number 10. Always give this guy a little twist because they get stuck. Take the whole thing off. I already removed these hoses from. I'm just going ahead and take it off of here, off of the back, and hopefully we just pull it straight up. And we got the whole unit. You will need to take these off. There's little rubbers off the bottom, and install them on the new one. Now this is nothing fancy, stock as they come. You do not need these. This is for the autos. For the transmission lines, they come through here and it cools it. So you could ditch these things. These aren't going to be used. You gotta put these on. These actually have holes for the fans. Get her loose, give it a good twist, break that seal. This off. Oh, this one's universal. I only have 2 bolts, so I'm gonna make do with what I got. Definitely gonna need some bolts for this. So find yourself some bolts. Find yourself some bolts, or you with your bolts, put them on. And here it goes inside there. Take these off. This one's your lower, your upper. Bam, bam. Alright, so we got the... I did put all the screws. Yes. Not that ratchet. That one, bottom and bottom. The 2 bottom, the 2 top. And this guy just goes in there with the little rubber. And it kind of just keeps it isolated off of the face or the back of the fan. Install it. You get to tighten up your clamp. If you don't have a worm clamp. Fall in those little grooves. Alright, so somewhere in there I forgot to hit record, but basically reconnect your hoses, your two upper and your lower. This guy, your lower. Reconnect your cooling fan. And then this one is your this one is your AC fan, condenser fan. But this one only runs, well, if you turn on your AC, they both turn on. So yeah, hook that up, put your top mounts back on, and then if you do have that piece, I think I have it somewhere, I just can't find it. Reconnect this guy. If not, it's gonna be all weird. But And then you, of course, if you have this device, you put your 50-50 mix or your concentrated with your distilled water, and then you let it run. This eventually show you that the thermostat opens, and then it will circulate and it will be burping air out. But I mean, like right there, you saw there's some bubbles. That's a big bubble. It's getting it all out of the system. So yeah, get out of here, bug. Oh, you're gonna die. Anyways, yeah, if you follow those steps, I mean, save yourself some money. I mean, I don't know how much one of these radiators will cost to change at a auto part, I mean a mechanic spot, but this setup right here only cost me 180 bucks, and I'm pretty sure it'll be double or more than triple the price at a mechanic spot. So yeah, thanks for hanging with me. I'm gonna go ahead and bleed all this out, and then I'm gonna go to bed.